A special leave petition has been filed before the Supreme Court challenging the interim order passed by the Karnataka High Court yesterday directing no religious dress in colleges during pendency of the case challenging the hijab ban stop. A full bench of the Karnataka High Court had on Thursday observed that it will issue an order in this regard. Stop. We will direct that the institutions shall stop, but till the matter is pending consideration before the court, these students and all stakeholders, they shall not insist on wearing religious garments, maybe headdress or saffron shawl. Stop. We will restrain everyone. Stop. Because we want peace and tranquility in state. Stop. We are seized with the matter. Stop. We can continue the matter on day-to-day basis. Stop. The High Court was hearing the petitions filed by Muslim students challenging hijab ban in colleges. Stop. According to the petitioner, through the directions passed, the choice of conscience of individuals, more particularly that of Muslim women students, is now put into question. Stop. The very essence of belief and practice guaranteed and protected by the chapter of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India has been asked to be desisted from by the High Court, and the careers and fate of Muslim women students are in limbo for the same. Stop. Along with an ex parte ad interim stay of operation of the impugned order dated 10th of February 2022 passed by the High Court of Karnataka, the petition has also sought an ex parte ad interim stay of operation of the proceedings in the case pending before the High Court passed by a coordinate bench. Stop. According to the petitioner, the High Court, through the impugned order, has sought to curtail the fundamental right of Muslim student women by not allowing them to wear the hijab and pursue their education. Stop. It has been submitted that the right to wear a hijab falls within the ambit of the right of expression guaranteed by Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A, the right to privacy, and also the freedom of conscience under Article 25 of the Constitution. Stop. The same cannot be infringed upon without a valid law. Stop. The special leave petition states that the Karnataka government has issued an order denying entry to Muslim women wearing hijab in the educational institutions, which creates an unreasonable classification between the non-Muslim female students and the Muslim female students. Stop.